Today I'm going to discuss the ketone diet cheat sheet. And if you are going to watch this video, that means you already decide that you're going to pursue the ketone diet. And no matter what kind of purpose you have, so you need some kind of high-level action plan. That means you need to write it down. Best in format of a cheating sheet. And so all this sheet to make sure that you are in the right track of your ketone diet journey. At different stage, you may be do different things, and that is ensure that you're going to success step by step. And here I just give you some simple cheating sheet. And of course, it's not for you. This is just for you as a template. And you should modify it based on your own goals and based on your lifestyles. And first of all, the cheating sheet 1. And this is very high level action plan. So you need to know that ketone diet plan actually kind of a lifestyle change. It's not going to be short term. If you plan to do short term, I don't think this is for you. If you do it, you need to plan for long term, even plan for lifetime journey for this. And you need to believe it, the ketone lifestyle, and because this is very popular diet in the world right now, it works. And if you are not sure, you can go to check this on the internet to see how the people respond. And it definitely working for me. And this lot of scientific study to show that ketone diet is very effective for prevention and treat of some kind of diseases. And that would be really powerful. At least it's useful for people to reduce the fat and also to reduce the chance of diabetes. Again, that people all over the world have successfully employed ketone diet, and I think other people can. I'm sure that you can do it too. So this is number 1 cheating sheet that indicate that this is a lifestyle change and you can do it. After this, then you need to go to the details. What are you going to do? So then we come to cheat sheet number 2. And this number 2, you need to identify some of ketone diet. It's most important that you need to identify some of the fatty food you like. And also, you need to gradually add fatty food into your meal, and also try to move some high carb meals from your food. And this is a dynamic process. Only you know what is best for you. So you need to make a decision to remove carbs and add fat food into the menu. And that's also very high level and not into you. Then after you have this, you need to make your meal plan. So first of all, you need to focus on the fatty food that fit your taste. And so you identify for it for a longer period of time, because when you eat fatty food, and that's you are not going to feel hungry, and so maybe you can just eat once a day, and gradually phase out old carbohydrates such as soda and cakes, and even rice, bread. So also some gradually phase out grains-based snacks, and also phase out milk-based snacks. So that's the process. The key point here is that you need to add this fat food into your menu. And the cheat sheet number 4, after you add this fat food into your menu, then you start gradually remove these carbs, because fat food have enough energy. You're not going to feel hungry that often. And so you have because basically you already decide your ketone diet, and you increase fat intake, so you're not going to feel hungry. So then, meanwhile, you need to go down the carbohydrate intake, and so try to remove soda and eat less rice, less bread, and even less fruits, but selectively eat some foods. Of course, you need eggs, avocado, all this have a high content of fat. So now you already form your meal pattern. So then you basically need to gradually form your own habits, the eating habits. And so by the last few steps, you already decide what kind of ketone diet you have. The most important, you decide what kind of fatty food you like, and already move these carbs from your menu. However, you need to stick to this new habit. That is really important. So, as I mentioned, when you eat fat food, you feel less hungry, not easy to get hungry. So, however, when you're hungry, you drink first, and also when you are hungry, eat slowly, and try to form your own style, that's ketone diet style, to get in kind of new habit to eat more fat and eat less frequently and reduce the carbs significantly. And now you already practice this, then you reach the final stage to get fine-tune your ketone diet. And basically to this stage, you already have all this ketone diet ready. You already remove all the carbs from your food. So now you start to fine-tune your ketone diet. And basically that you only eat your ketone diet, and the carb is reduced to minimal, and you already eliminate or complete reduce the snacking. And even so, you have snacking. If, as I mentioned in my later talk, that there are a lot of snacks which have ketone diet snack. It's still possible for you to have snack. And eventually, because as mentioned earlier, that fat food is much less likely to make you hungry, and maybe so you eat only you feel hungry, and gradually you will first from 3 meals a day and to 2 meals a day, and finally you may go to only 1 meal a day, and that is called intermittent fasting. And if we can reach 1 meal a day, that is you save a lot of energy and a lot of time. So you just need, because I mentioned the fatty food will create very high energy format. So you don't need it so often. You can just need 1 meal a day. And yeah, this is just the cheating sheet in here, the 6, just show you the process from very, very high level, and to from your determination to use ketone diet for whatever purpose you have, gradually to select your fatty food and scale down your carbohydrate, and then gradually get used to this fat food lifestyle, and finally get your own ketone diet habit. I think this is that's depend on the people. You just take your own time. You can practice this, and by the end you will feel this is really, really good exercise for you, and also very good for your health. And scientific studies show that the ketone diet is effective for many, many chronic diseases. And that's the talk for today. I wish to see you in my next video. Bye.